Hello everyone, how are you, and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the new puff pattern that can be used as first mask adapter. In this pattern you will find there is chain stitch between the puff pattern. It looks like this. Perhaps these patterns look a bit difficult, but it's so easy to create. I believe that everyone can make these patterns. Okay, now let's get ready. To make this pattern, I'll be using milk cottons. I choose the purple and crochet hook number 5 and number 6. Firstly, make slip knot. Then make foundation chains. This foundation chain is a multiple of 4 plus 4 for these patterns. I will make 28 foundation chains, which are 4 times 7 then plus 4, so the total foundation chains of these patterns are 32. But specifically I use 2 types of hook to make these patterns. I use hook number 6 to make chain 1 to chain 29. There is 28, now 29. Then I switch to hook number 5 to make the last 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. This is the turning chain. Then 2 treble crochet. The first treble crochet is made and the 4th chain from hook. Here, to make these main patterns, I keep using crochet hook number 5. This is the first treble crochet, which is made in the 4th chain from hook. Then the second treble crochet is made in the next 1 stitch. This is the second treble crochet. It is the main patterns. Then I'm gonna wrap these 2 treble crochet with puff stitch. This puff stitch is made of 4 incomplete half double crochet or 4 double crochet cluster, half double crochet cluster. Okay, now we'll show you how to close these puff patterns. Firstly, insert the hooks into the next 1 stitch. Then you do yarning over and pull it through all these loops. Okay, now you have already closed these puff patterns, but it's not yet finished. Then after this, you're gonna make 3 chains. How to make 3 chains? Let me show you. Firstly, insert the hook into the next 1 stitch. This stitch, then make chains normally. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over, pull it through all these 2 loops. Okay, there is the complete first pattern, and this is what it looks like. So for the next pattern or for the second pattern, it says firstly make 1 treble crochet in next 1 stitch. Then make another treble crochet in next 1 stitch. It's like before, it's so easy. Okay, after that, wrap these 2 treble crochet with 4 incomplete half double crochet. Count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then to finish this puff patterns or this incomplete half double crochet, you just need to insert the hook into the next 1 stitch, grab the yarns. I'll repeat. Insert the hook into the next 1 stitch. This stitch, look at it carefully. You can easily find it, don't worry. Then grab the yarns. After that, yarn over, pull it through all loops. All pull it through all this puff stitch. This is what the patterns look like. Okay, just like before. Then make 3 chains through next 1 stitch. Insert the hook into the next 1 stitch. Then make the chains normally. 3 chains. Then yarn over to close the pattern. Okay, it's done. For the next pattern or for the third pattern, just like before, make 1 treble crochet in next 1 stitch. This is the first treble crochet. Then make another treble crochet in the next 1 stitch. This is the second treble crochet. Then wrap these 2 treble crochets with 4 incomplete half double crochet or with 4 half double crochet cluster. 3, 4. Then insert the hook into the next 1 stitch. Grab the yarns and yarn over to close this puff pattern. Make it carefully. Okay, you can adjust it. Then make chain 3 through the next 1 stitch, insert the hook here. Then make 3 chains normally, 2, 3, then yarn over to close the pattern. This is what it looks like. You just need to repeat these patterns to complete these parts. Make the same patterns until here. Okay, this part is complete. Now I will switch to crochet hook number 6 to make the border of these patterns. I begin with chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I will find the very first chains to make single crochet. This is the very first chains. Then chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3. Make 1 single crochet after the chains, after this 3 chain, single crochet. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet after the chain, after the chain stitch. Chain 3 again, single crochet, chain 3 again, then make single crochet again after the chain stitch. Repeat this pattern to complete this part. Make again, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3 again, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. This single crochet is matched in the first chain stitch. Okay, now is it easy for you to see this? Okay, now grab the yarn over and pull it through this tulip to make a single crochet, then chain 3 again and make a single crochet in this stitch, single crochet, not a slip stitch. You keep making single crochet and chain 3. Okay, now chain 3 again, make a single crochet after the chain. After the chain 3, you make between the puff pattern, not before but after the chain 3. So repeat this pattern to complete this part. Well everyone, have a look. This is what the pattern temporarily look like. So now I'm gonna make last 3 chains and I will make last single crochet on the chain stitch. This is the last 3 chains and this is the last single crochet. Okay, this is what the pattern look like. Now I'll switch to crochet number 5 again. I want to make the border. Okay, this border is made of 5 single crochet. This means that you need to fill the chain space with 5 single crochet like this. This is 5. Then move to another chain space, then make 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move to another chain space, then make 5 single crochet just like the previous one. Don't forget to adjust it. Then move to another chain space, make 5 single crochet, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next 5 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget to adjust it. Then fill each of this chain space with 5 single crochet to complete these patterns. Make it carefully and accurately. This is the last border, the last 5 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I will slip stitch in the very first single crochet of the very first border. Okay, don't forget to add one more chain to make it stronger, then cut the yarn. This pattern is done. It's so easy and impressive. Okay, have a look. This is what the patterns look like. You just need to adjust pattern well to make it in good shape. Like this. You can do whatever you like. You can adjust it whatever you like, what I mean. This is the complete pattern look like. It's so adorable. You can use this pattern to make everything you like. You can make a headband or face mask adapter or bracelets. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like these patterns and see you again on the next video. Bye bye.